Hi guys, in this video I am gonna to teach you how to make creamy custard. So let's get started. First of all, I will show the ingredients list. The ingredients are 4 free-range eggs, 100 grams, 3.5 ounces golden caster sugar, 1 teaspoon corn flour, optional, 300 milliliters, 1 pint double cream, 300 milliliters, 1/2 pint full-fat milk, 1 vanilla pod. Now the method is: Step 1. Separate the eggs, placing the yolks in a large bowl. You will not need the whites for this recipe. You can use them to make meringues. Step 2. Add the sugar to the egg yolks and whisk until pale and thick. Step 3. Add the corn flour and whisk well to incorporate into the egg yolks. Step 4. Put the cream and milk into a medium saucepan. Step 5. Cut the vanilla pod open lengthways and scrape out the seeds with the back of a knife, then add to the milk and cream. Step 6. Heat the cream mixture to just below boiling point. Take the vanilla pod out and set aside. It can be dried out and placed in sugar to make vanilla sugar. Step 7. Slowly pour the hot cream and milk onto the eggs and sugar, whisking as you go. Step 8. Transfer the custard to a clean pan, and set it over a very low heat. Step 9. Stir the custard constantly with a wooden spoon, paying special attention to the corners of the pan, until it is steaming and has thickened slightly. The custard is ready when you can draw a clear line through it on the back of the wooden spoon. This can take up to 10 minutes. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for latest updates.